On Crash Course Instrumentation, Episode 9, Reading Instrument Datasheets. Welcome back to Crash Course Instrumentation. In Episode 9, we're diving into a crucial skill every technician and engineer must have: reading instrument datasheets. What is an instrument datasheet? A datasheet is a standardized document provided by manufacturers to specify the technical details of an instrument, like a pressure transmitter, control valve, or flow meter. It tells you exactly what the device is, how it performs, and what conditions it can handle. What can you find on a typical datasheet? Let's walk through the major sections. Device identification. Model number and description. Manufacturer and part number. Measurement specs. Measurement range, e.g., 0 to 100 psi. Accuracy, plus 0.25% of span. Signal output, e.g., 4 to 20 mA, heart. Electrical and environmental. Power supply requirements, e.g., 24 volts, DC loop powered. Temperature limits, ambient and process. Ingress protection, e.g., IP67 or NEMA 4X. Process connections. Thread type and size, e.g., 1/2 NPT. Wetted materials, important for corrosive fluids. Physical attributes. Dimensions, weight, and mounting style. Housing material, e.g., aluminum, stainless steel. Example: if you're replacing a level transmitter and the new one has different power requirements or a different output signal type, you risk a mismatch or failure unless you check the datasheet first. Why datasheets matter? They ensure you select the right device for your application, help avoid costly installation errors, provide documentation for compliance, auditing, and inspection, allow you to plan ahead for spare parts, calibration intervals, and testing tools. Technicians use datasheets when installing new instruments, replacing old or failed devices, commissioning loops, validating performance against process needs. Pro tip: always compare the datasheet with the loop diagram and P&ID to confirm compatibility with the system. Historical tidbit: before digital catalogs, techs kept vendor binders on site. Rows of printed datasheets from Rosemount, Yokogawa, Honeywell, and more. Today, most datasheets are PDFs you can download directly from the manufacturer's website or product portal. A bottom line: reading a datasheet isn't about memorizing numbers. It's about understanding the story behind the instrument and making sure it fits into the process safely and effectively. This episode is based on Lessons in Industrial Instrumentation by Tony Kuphaldt. Explore the full open-source text at the link below. Like, subscribe, and follow along. Next up, we're covering calibration records and as-built drawings.